Annyeonghaseyo, Feast Family! Eto na naman po ako bumabati sa inyo, this time ng happy and blessed 16th anniversary. I hope na hindi kayo nagsasawa pa sa mukha ko because ako, hindi po ako magsasawa na bumati sa inyo, lalong-lalo na po sa mga special occasions like this one. We've reached another year of God's faithfulness into our Feast Abu Dhabi family, and another year of answered prayers, another year of blessed service, another year of sharing Jesus light to each and every one, lalong-lalo na po sa Feast Abu Dhabi district. Sobrang namimiss ko na po kayong lahat, and I am still grateful for the friendship and the relationship that I've made with each and every one of you, na kahit nasa malayo po ako, patuloy pa rin po akong connected sa inyo, and I don't take that for granted. I am very grateful for this family, and please know na kahit malayo po ako, you have a prayer warrior in this side of the world who's always praying for you and who's always praying with you, praying na patuloy tayong mag-spread ng light, patuloy tayong mag-spread ng hope, and patuloy tayong maka-inspire ng marami pang tao, especially dyan sa Abu Dhabi area, and of course sa buong mundo na din. And I wish everyone happiness, good health, and of course, I pray for all of your dreams to come true. Whatever prayer that you're praying right now, please know that I am praying for you. I'm really hoping that one day maka-join ako ng celebration in person, but for now, I want to thank my brothers and sisters who always, give time to reach out to me para sa mga ganitong klaseng greetings. I really appreciate it. Thank you, dahil hindi niyo pa rin ako nakakalimutan, and alam ni Lord na lagi kayong nasa puso ko, lagi kayong nasa isipan ko. I miss you all. Happy anniversary. Keep on serving, keep on spreading Jesus light. Thank you. Bye. Annyeong.